What's up, guys? This is my bike check. It's a Fit 20.5 top tube Trail 2 S&M slam bars, Odyssey Aaron Ross signature grips, Odyssey plastic bar ends came with the grips, Eastern front load stem, Odyssey headset, Fit stock front forks, Kink stock front wheel, Animal GLH 2.25. It's got the 175mm industry cranks. It's got a stolen 25 tooth sprocket, Odyssey twisted PCs, S&M thin seat, demolition seat post. It's a rail seat. It's got a Odyssey mid bottom bracket sealed. It's got Odyssey 2.10 tire in the back. Got the Animal rim, RS, Magnolite proper cassette hub, 10 tooth driver. It's got hollow axle, 14mm, and I'll show you what that sounds like. It's my complete bike check. If you have any questions or anything, just ask.